Hey there, hope you're doing well. This short video is on how we can record and play in bubble.io app. So let's get started. Okay, so here you can see this has this recording button, and if I click on this button, the recording starts, and if I click on it again, the recording stops. And then there is this audio player section where I can play the recording and also pause the recording as well. So how are we going to do this in Bubble? So for this whole process, what we will need is some plugins. So first of all, we will need this plugin audio player from BEP, and the other plugin we will be needing is this audio recorder, this one. Okay, so after installing these two plugins, we will put them on this page. So I have put this audio recorder right over here and the audio player right over here. So the audio recorder part can be put anywhere on the page where user cannot like see this, and its size can be reduced to 1x1, so it has the minimum size and people cannot see this. Then this part can be adjusted accordingly, so we can give it any width we want. We can give it like 5,000 or 500, anything, it doesn't matter at all. And after this is done, if we get started with this, okay, so after this is done, what we will need is the whole basic setup for this. So first of all, I put this icon to play and pause the recording. So if I want to start the recording, I can like click on it, it will start the recording, and then click on it, it will stop the recording. And then this button will be to play and pause the audio player. So this will work on the audio player and it will play and pause the audio inside of it. After I put these elements, so the main thing works inside the workflow. So I put the element over here for the audio recorder. So if I want to use it, I will have to initiate it inside this button. And if I click in this, it has this workflow of start audio recording. And it also has another workflow of stop audio recording. So the start audio recording works when this audio uh, recorder's state is not uh, recording, like recording status is no, and if its recording status is yes, it will be stopping the recording. So if there is no recording being done, then we start the recording, and if there is a recording being done, we stop the recording. And the other one is this one. So what it will do is toggle between the play and pause of the audio player. So audio player, the sound inside it that we will be playing will be started and stopped by clicking this button. And let's have a preview one more time. So now you can see I clicked on it and it started the recording, and now I will click again, it will stop the recording, and I can see there is this file loaded over here. And now I will see if I click on it, it will start playing. And if I click again, it will pause the playing of this whole audio. And this is how this whole audio recorder and audio player will work inside bubble.io. And thanks for watching this video. Bye.